Good morning everyone. I Mehak Dhingra
And I, Dilisha Jakhar.
welcome you all to the morning assembly of 11th U. How wonderful it is to see all your bright and eager faces ready to embrace a new day. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to today's assembly where we will dive into the intriguing topic of human evolution and civilization. Humanity's journey began millions of years ago, and over time, these early ancestors adapted, evolved, and spread across the globe. From simple stone tools to the complex technologies we rely on today, each stage of evolution has marked a new chapter in our shared history.
But evolution is not just about physical changes. As humans developed, so did our capacity for thought, creativity, and social organization. This gave rise to civilization, great societies that built cities, cultivated the land, developed languages, art, and culture, and laid the foundation for the modern world we know today. Civilization is not just a series of events in history. It is the expression of human potential and the result of countless innovation and ideas that continue to shape our lives. From the ancient pyramids of Egypt to the modern world we live in today, civilization reflects our ability to learn, adapt, and progress.
Today's assembly is an opportunity to reflect on how far we have come as species and to consider the lessons we can learn from the past as we move forward. It is also a chance to appreciate the diversity and richness of human culture and remarkable achievements that have defined our journey. So as we explore the fascinating stories of our evolution and civilization, let us be inspired by the resilience, creativity and determination that have brought us to where we are today. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to all of you, and I hope you find today's assembly both enlightening and thought-provoking.
Let's commence with our assembly. I request you all please stand up and take your positions. Put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge. O God, I offer you, my studies, thoughts, words, and actions, of this day, enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me, to do what's right. Amen.
Today, we have an enriching assembly plan focusing on the fascinating topic of human evolution and civilization. From the early days of our ancestors to the modern society we live in today, our journey has been remarkable. Let's delve into this topic through various engaging activities. Now, I would like to call Jasmine on the stage for the thought of the day.
Human evolution is a testament to our resilience and adaptability, while civilization reflects our collective creativity and ambition. As we progress, understanding our past shapes our future, where we harness our shared potential for the greater good. I repeat, human evolution is a testament to our resilience and adaptability, while civilization reflects our collective creativity and ambition. As we progress, understanding our past shapes our future, where we harness our shared potential for the greater good.
सुप्रभात सभी को। आज हम मानव विकास और सभ्यता के अनोखे सफर पर एक नजर डालने जा रहे हैं। हमारी यात्रा आदि मानव से लेकर आधुनिक मानव तक की है और इसमें अनगिनत उपलब्धियां और संघर्षों की कहानियां शामिल हैं। अब मैं आप सभी का ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहूंगी एक विशेष कविता की ओर। तो चलिए सुनते हैं महक और प्रेरणा की सुंदर कविता।
मानव विकास की गाथा अनोखी, कभी थी आदिम अब है अद्वितीय, हाथों में पत्थर दिल में आग, चांद तक पहुंचने की है इच्छा प्रबल।
गुफाओं से निकले गांव बसाए, खेती की पशु पाले जीवन संजोए, पहिया बनाया रास्ते खोजे, नदियों के किनारे शहर बसे।
ज्ञान की खोज में किताबें लिखी, विज्ञान और कला में सभ्यता की है अनोखी कहानी, संस्कृत और सभ्यता की ये है निशानी।
आकाश को छूने का सपना हमारा, एकता और शांति की राह दिखाए सारा। मानव विकास का ये अद्भुत सफर, आओ मिलकर इसे और आगे बढ़ाएं, आओ मिलकर इसे और आगे बढ़ाएं। धन्यवाद।
Dance is definitely the hidden language of the soul, and today we have the privilege of witnessing this language come to life through classical dance performance. Classical dance is not just an art form, it's a celebration of culture, tradition, and a deep movement between emotion and movement.
As the dancers grace the stage, they will tell a story through their intricate movements, expressive gestures, and rhythmic footwork.
Let's welcome our talented dancer who are ready to transport us to a world of graceful mudras, beautiful expression, cultural richness, creating a truly immersive environment. Please put your hand together for exclusive classical dance performance. Now let's listen to an English poem by Yurid and Tamanna that beautifully encapsulates the journey of human civilization.
From tribal dawn to city sprawl, we have risen high, though once so small. Through ages dark to knowledge bright, humanity emerged from night.
From simple tools of stones and the bone, to the wonder vast in steel and stone. Our minds evolve, our hearts grew wide, in every step our dreams abide.
In caves we painted stories bold, in modern times new tales unfold. From ages dark to knowledge bright, humanity emerged from night.
Human evolution, a wondrous flight. From the dawn of the time to the endless night, with the wisdom's light and the love embrace, we shape our future of our race.
Yet with our eyes a truth we face, to cherish earth our shared space. For in our quest to reach the stars, we must remember who we are.
Civilization, our grand creation, built on the past, each generation. With every stride, both loss and the gain, in growth and the change, we find our name. Thank you.
Are you ready to be swept away by the magic of music? Whether you are in love with its lyrics or the rhythm, this song is sure to make you hum along. So please welcome Vartika for the English song.
I was listening to the ocean. I saw face in sand, but when I picked it up, then it vanished away from my hand. Down. I had a dream I was 7, climbing my way in a tree. I saw a piece of heaven waiting patient for me. Gone. And I was running far away, but I ran out the world someday. Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain, I felt alive and I can't complain. But no, take me home where I belong. I can't take it anymore. I was painting a picture. The picture was a painting of you, and for a moment I thought you were here, but then again it wasn't true. God, and all this time I have been lying, lying in secret to myself. I've been putting sorrow on the farthest place on my shelf. La-dee-da. And I was running far away, but I ran out the world someday. Nobody knows, nobody knows. I was dancing in the rain, I felt alive and I can't complain. But no, take me home where I belong. I got no other place to go. No, take me home where I belong. I got no other place to go. No, take me home where I belong. I can't take it anymore.
Now we will have a skit performance that illustrates the key milestones of human evolution, from the discovery of fire to the advent of agriculture and the rise of the cities. Please give the team a warm welcome.
Journey through time, human evolution and civilization. Scene 1, the dawn of humanity. Welcome to our journey through time. We will explore how humans have evaluated and built civilizations. Our story begins long ago.
Me need food, me use stone to hunt and survive.
Me find berries, good for eating.
This is how our ancestors lived. They used simple tools made of stone and relied on hunting and gathering for survival. Life was hard, but they were resourceful.
Look, sharp stone, good for cutting.
Yes, good for making fire too.
With their ingenuity, they learned to use fire, which changed everything. Scene 2, the birth of farming.
Now we grow our own food. No need to wonder. We can make a society.
With the discovery of farming, humans settled down, leading to the first villages and towns. With the beginning of civilization.
Look, my crops are growing well. Now we can trade and share. Yes, working together make life better. We can build a community.
Farming not only provided food but also created opportunities for cooperation and trade. laying the foundation for complex societies. Scene 3. The Age of Invention.
Look at this. A wheel. It makes life easier. We can build better things and travel further.
Human creativity led to incredible inventions like the wheel, which revolutionized transportation and technology.
See, with the wheel we can move heavy things easily.
And with more inventions, our world will change even more.
These inventions paved the way for technological progress and greater efficiency in everyday life. Scene 4. The Scientific Revolution.
By studying the world around us, we learn and discover. Science helps us understand the universe.
The scientific revolution brought new knowledge and advancements, from medicine to space exploration.
Look at this. Look at this picture. We can learn so much from experiments.
Yes, and with each discovery, we improve our lives.
Scientific discoveries have driven progress and innovation, shaping the modern world. Scene 5. Modern times.
Look at this app. We can connect with people all over the world and learn anything that we want.
Today we live in a digital age where technology connects us globally, but we must remember our journey and continue to grow wisely.
Video call, online classes, gaming technology are amazing. Let's not forget how easy it for generation to have a similar source without any time restriction.
Modern technology has transformed communication, learning and entertainment, making the world more interconnected than ever. Scene 6. Reflection and Future. From the dawn of humanity to modern civilization, our journey has been incredible. Each step forward brings new challenges and opportunities.
And remember, the future is in your hand. So keep learning, exploring and building a better world.
We learn to work together.
We created incredible things. We discovered the secrets of nature.
We can share knowledge like never before.
Together we shape the future.
And so our story continues. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time.
It's incredible to see how far we have come. Next up, we have a delightful Hindi song performance that promises to touches our heart and lift our spirits. Please join me giving a warm welcome to Vartika as she takes the stage and enchant us with her performance.
to experience this magic through an instrumental performance that promises to captivate our hearts and minds. Let me call my friend Mehak for an instrumental performance that is surely to be a treat for all. Now we will have a group discussion to explore how our past shaped our present and what lessons we can carry into our future. Let us call the participants on the stage for an insight into our development phase.
Welcome everyone to our group discussion on the topic human evolution and civilization. To start off, let's briefly define what we mean by human evolution and civilization. Human evolution refers to biological and cultural development of human. It is the process through which we Homo sapiens evolved from our early ancestor over millions of years. Civilization, on the other hand, refers to complex societies that humans have developed, characterized by urban development, social stratification, and other communication skills like writing.
That's right. Our evolutionary journey has been marked by significant milestones like development of bipedalism, which allow early humans to walk on two legs, enlargement of brain, which facilitated more complex thought process and problem-solving skills. These biological changes lay the development of civilization.
Indeed, the transition from nomadic hunter-gatherer societies to settled agricultural communities was another pivotal point in human history. Thus, this shift referred to as the Neolithic Revolution, which led to humans to produce surplus food and permanent settlements.
With the rise of agriculture, we also saw the development of social hierarchies and the specialization of labor. People began to take on specific roles with their communities, such as farmers, leaders, and builders, which contributed to the complexity and stability of early civilizations.
That's true. It's fascinating to think about how advent of writing system revolutionized human communication and record keeping. The ability to document information enabled the preservation of knowledge across generations, fostering advances in science, technology, and culture.
Speaking of advances, the technological innovation throughout history played a crucial role in shaping civilization. From the invention of wheel to the development of internet, each technological leap has transformed human society in profound ways.
Absolutely, and alongside the technological progress, we have also seen the evolution of social and political structures. From the tribal system to modern democracies, humans have continually experimented with different forms of governance to manage and organize their society. But not only this, almost in every other sector, like the agricultural, cultural, and many more, evolution could be clearly noticed.
It's important to note that while civilization have achieved remarkable progress, they will also face significant challenges. Environmental changes, resource scarcity, and conflict have all the threatened of stability and continuity of civilization throughout history.
Moreover, the rise of human activities on environment is a critical issue we face today. Industrialization and urbanization have led to significant ecological changes, which raise this question about sustainability and future of our civilization.
The study of past civilizations such as those of Mesopotamia, the ancient Egypt and the Indus Valley provides valuable insights into how societies can adapt and innovate. Understanding their successes and failures can help inform our approach to certain contemporary issues.
Looking ahead, the future of human civilization will likely be shaped by how we address current global challenges such as climate change, inequality and technological ethics. Collaboration and global perspective will be key to ensuring sustainable and prosperous future for all.
Human evolution and civilization are two deeply interconnected aspects of our history that reveal much about our species' journey and development. It's clear that the journey of human development and the development of its civilization is a complex and ongoing process marked by remarkable achievements and formidable challenges.
In conclusion, the story of human evolution and civilization is one of the resilience, ingenuity and continuous growth. By learning from our past and challenges of our future challenges is... Thank you.
So let's welcome our fellows for group dance.